So my name's Sarah. I'm not currently working full time, but I've been in the corporate world working in partnerships and alliance management.
And what are we doing here today?
Today we're doing the BRR, which I'm absolutely loving. It's my favourite subject, so can't wait to get even deeper.
Sure. And BRR, what is that?
I'll buy, refurbish, refinance, and then recycle the money and do it all over again.
Great. And then is this something you're looking to implement in property?
It absolutely is. It's my top strategy. So I've got 2, and this is my top one.
Cool. And just tell me a little bit about the course.
So it's 4 days this week. So I've learned about commercials, I've learned about lease options, and now I'm going into a deep delve in the BRR strategy.
And what do you think about Samuel and the team?
Oh, great. Open, honest, truthful, brutal sometimes, but which is great. But yeah, very knowledgeable, and the course and the detail is great.
Sure. And you signed up to the academy, was that this week?
No, I signed up 4 weeks ago at the £1 crash course and just thought, this is it. I'd tried other courses and just thought, no, this is great. It works totally for me.
Great. And what would you say to someone trying to get into property?
I think you just have to go and do it. I'd been faffing around, as I call it, for about the last 12 to 15 months and just decided at that point in time, yes, I either do it now or it's going to be another 2 years wasted. So just jump in, do it and drive forward.